In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell your logo with Whop. By the end, you'll have a clean product listing ready for potential buyers. Let's walk through it together, nice and easy. Start by heading to Whop in your browser. Once you're on the home feed, make sure you're signed in so you can access your store. On the left sidebar, click Store to open your storefront tools. From there, go to the dashboard to manage everything in one place. In the dashboard menu, choose Products, then select Create Product to start a new listing. Begin with the basics. Type a clear, memorable name for your logo product. Think of something that captures the style or niche, like modern, minimalist, or vintage. Right below, add a concise, benefits-focused headline. This is the quick pitch that helps buyers understand what makes your logo attractive or unique. If you'd like help brainstorming copy, you can use the Generate AI option to draft ideas. Just review and edit so it matches your voice and offering. Next, set your pricing. You'll see options for free access and paid access. Free is helpful while you're setting things up or collecting early feedback. Paid is best once you're ready to sell. For now, choose free access so we can finish the setup without worrying about a payment flow. You can always switch to paid later. Click Next to continue. You'll land on Included Apps. This section determines what customers receive when they get your product. For a logo, you may not need any add-ons. Review the options, leave the defaults if nothing applies, and click Next. Now, make your listing shine. Click Add a video or photo, select your logo image, and click Open to upload. Choose a high-resolution image that shows the logo clearly, ideally on a neutral background so it stands out. When everything looks good, click Save Product. That's it. Your logo product is now set up on Whop. From here, you can return to pricing to enable paid access, refine your copy based on feedback, and share your product link with your audience. Happy selling!